Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our DreamView channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Whirlpool 280L Direct Cool Single Door 4-star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 280 liters, compressor type rotary, performance 4-star for energy saving up to 45%, defrosting type direct cool which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications: generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, manual, warranty card. Type single door, refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator, defrosting type direct cool, number of doors 1, warranty 1 year on refrigerator unit and 10 years on compressor. Coming to the cost price, 21,770 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our DreamView channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.